So this is my third project. After creating my visualization app in the terminal, I realized I needed a proper user interface. That's what pushed me to learn web development. This shoe store project was my first real step into HTML with some minimal CSS. So I started with zero web experience, just coming from writing those 2 scripts in Python. So what you're seeing is my first attempt at creating an actual website. It's just a simple shoe store with some different product listings. I had to learn HTML from scratch, so I focused on using the right tags for different parts of the page. Headers for titles, sections for products, and adding proper classes for good organization. So the basic gist of this website is you can scroll through, see each of the shoes and the shoe listings. It basically gives you a price range. Now this is from 2023, like January, early 2023. So the prices might not be exactly the same. You just click this image of the shoe for more images, and then you can go and buy it, and you just buy it directly through StockX. So I basically just link StockX, and it's the same thing for each of these. So yeah, it's pretty simple, but it got the point of just learning basic HTML semantics and how the structuring of the website works. And I also, from this project, got a good understanding of the templating with HTML and then the styling with CSS, although, as you can see, the styling for this website is pretty atrocious. Like, literally, this section is missing a line. There's so many things that I would change, but you'll see, I definitely got a lot better as the projects progress. So this is what's happening behind the scenes. On the right is the HTML code that I wrote. So I have this main site, and then each subsite, which is just the images, would be like this, and I did the same thing for each thing, so that would be this, and just so on and so forth. Like, it's literally the exact same for each one. 3 images, same CSS and everything. And then for the actual styling, like, this is what the styling was looking like. It's only 96 lines of CSS, 94, really. It wasn't anything crazy. I didn't really know what I was doing. Like, I understood, like, hovering and everything. I don't know why they check shift like that. Like, just stuff like that. It's just, like, it was very amateur, but it did help me get a good understanding of the fundamentals that I needed to know. Now, all of this was completely new to me. Learning how to control color, spacing, and image sizes with code instead of, like, a visual editor or anything. Even though it's very basic, this project taught me fundamental web development skills, how to structure content with HTML, style it with CSS, and basically just link everything together. These were the building blocks that I needed to eventually create the user interface for my 3D Mind app. Later, I pushed this to GitHub as I started learning about version control, another essential skill that I developed. This simple shoe store was a crucial stepping stone. It helped me understand how websites actually work, and it gave me confidence to tackle even more complex projects. After this project, I moved on to learning more advanced CSS with my YouTube clone project, getting closer to my goal of building that visualization app interface that I originally wanted in my second project.